Hey everybody, this is Chris, your dependable host for all things Reed, and we are here at a softball field in Washington, PA, to diagnose and fix an active water leak. So let's grab our Reed tools and get the job done.
They have an active water leak here behind us on a poly line. The water lines aren't very deep to begin with because the goal is to winterize them at the end of the year, but in this case I think the water bled through the stop that's not working. There's no operating shutoff valve that works, so we're going to have to try to squeeze the water line off and make a repair.
If you can shut the water off, great, yes, you should, but oftentimes valves don't work, or you run into those situations where you can't find it or whatever, so you have to, do it live.
Hopefully we can pump the ditch out. It's kind of in a nasty spot. There's no power local to here. So instead of bringing a generator and a pump and that whole thing, we're going to try to use the reed stick to pump the ditch out. And then we have a pinch off tool that we're going to use to pinch off the poly water line while it's on, since we don't have an operational valve.
So you want to go slow while pinching it off to prevent the area of the pipe where you're pinching from cracking.
The crew took the time to install a new shutoff valve to prevent any future water troubles. All of this was made clear due to the efficiency of Reed tools on the job.
So you want to release the tool even slower than you pinched it off to allow the pipe to relax back to its original shape. The Reed tools work great and very happy with them. We got our issue sorted out and by lunchtime, so that's always a bonus.
Well, that's it. Problem solved, proving once again that Reed is all you need. Check out these tools and many others at reedmfgco.com.